Lately, I've had some vehicle difficulties. One of my favorites got totaled. My M3 got damaged. So I got really upset one day and was like, I'm just gonna buy a crappy vehicle that I don't care about. And mission accomplished. I think I bought the worst vehicle on Facebook Marketplace.
Perfect.
I think it's about as rough as it could be and still run and drive. So there are many holes in it. It has a lot of air fresheners. It had a lot of great stickers. I removed a few because I was a little embarrassed. One of them said booby bouncer. Another one said I love hot moms, but I kept the rest. Came with a paintball device, RPM gauge, you know, so it doesn't work. It just sits here. We got a fishing hook, a lure. Some professional panel repair. We have 3 different tire sizes and 3 different tire brands. We've got Ironman, Mastercraft, a Radial LL821 called Epic Tour All Season. They're all different sizes. So we are gonna do new tires, all new steering components, and if that makes it drive good, I'm gonna keep it. And then maybe we'll do something fun with it, like make it a mini Cyberpunk themed truck like the Blazer. But if it doesn't drive good, I'm gonna just sell it or destroy it. We might do some experiments. It all hinges on whether or not this gets fixed from the steering.
I can honestly that this is gonna work.
I guess that's a jacking point.
Frame just cracked.
Huh?
Frame just cracks, it just bends.
It did crack?
No.
Oh, I thought you said it did.
I'm supposed to. And Travis has the fancy tools.
I do have the fancy tools. So this is Mastercraft 1. Actually, both the front tires are Mastercraft.
At least that has that going for it, you know? What do you got in here? Let's check what the top mounts are looking like.
So this is getting replaced. That's getting replaced, this whole thing. The tire wear is actually not that bad on this one, surprisingly.
How do they compare?
But he must have replaced them at like different times.
Even wear?
One is
Not so even wear.
Spaceship.
These rims are honestly pretty cool, and the color on them is nice. Ooh!
Cybershock on
Okay.
It's not really fun if you have to like fight the steering the whole time you're in it. So if this doesn't fix it, I don't feel like it'd be a fun truck to own. So maybe what are you looking at?
The actual oil.
Oh, the oil coming out, yeah.
That is maybe not a sign that maybe it isn't the car that you want.
It's leaking horsepower. It's
Yeah.
leaking horsepower. The manifold's cracked. It's held together with wire nuts. This is an example of a do not buy, and I only bought it because I was upset that I was damaging my nice cars. So yeah, like don't buy something like this. It was really dumb of me to buy it, but maybe I can make it cool. So.
I think it's definitely gonna be cool. It's honestly just
None of these attached to anything. They're just in there.
The thing is that like this just adds to the look.
It's a piece of art.
It really is. I would honestly just leave it like this and do whatever your design you're gonna do on it. Make it look like.
I think we're
Cybertruck.
giving him too much credit.
Who? Him?
This was not on purpose. It just happened.
Maybe
Let's
that's
just-
the beauty of it.
Maybe. Now that I've done the front end, we're gonna get rid of the mix match tires. And we are gonna replace them with something closer to factory size, and they're all gonna match. I went with the Accelera Eco Plush tires. My theory is if I go a little bit smaller on the tire instead of the 215s going the 195, it's because it has no power steering, it should handle and drive better because less tire on the ground means less rubber, so it should be easier to steer. Now my theory is there's no way this truck drove this crappy when it was new, but on a serious note, no one bought them, so maybe they did drive that crappy, and maybe I'm wasting my time. Now depending on how this goes, we might be having a lot of fun with this truck, or I might be destroying it or selling it, so we'll see. First real drive on the new tires and new steering. Hold on, Tyler.
It spins tires so good.
It'll do burnouts.
It'll do burnouts.
That's a good thing to know.
That means it'll drift for
That means
sure.
we can drift. I'm not gonna drift with them in the bed though.
Oh no, please don't drift with him in the bed.
Did it do two tires? It did 2 tires.
Tires.
It wasn't a one-wheel peel, so that's good. No, that means it'll drift.
The burnt rubber smells so good.